Find or read reviews that people are talking about muhub, 12,000 BTU, smart window air conditioner with heater. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Powerful cooling and heating for medium rooms. With 12,000 BTU of cooling and heating power, this 4-in-1 window unit is designed to efficiently maintain comfort in rooms up to 550 square feet. It provides strong cooling on hot days, supplemental warmth in cooler months, and helps create a consistent temperature in your bedroom, living room, or home office. Smart control from anywhere. Manage your climate remotely using the free smartphone app or the included remote control. You can adjust modes, set temperatures, create weekly schedules, or turn the unit on before you get home, adding convenience and modern control to your daily routine. Energy-saving operation. An energy saver mode and programmable timer help you manage runtime to reduce unnecessary power consumption. This focus on efficient operation aims to provide the comfort you need while being mindful of energy usage throughout the season. Quiet and customizable comfort. Engineered for reduced operational noise, this unit allows for quieter cooling and heating. Features like multiple fan speeds, adjustable air direction louvers, and a washable filter let you personalize airflow and contribute to easier maintenance. Easy installation with full kit. Get started quickly with all necessary hardware included, such as expandable side panels, window brackets, and seals. Designed to fit most standard double-hung windows, the straightforward installation process means you can often set it up yourself without needing to hire a profession. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.